Today we have a pretty cool 1971 DBS V8 Aston. It was Works demonstrator for North America. It's had quite a charmed life. It was used for all the EPA legislation for Aston Martin at the time, and has had since numerous Aston Martin Owners Club owners. So it's been well known, and we're going to take it for a ride. Well, there's your cold start. We're going to warm it up a little bit. It's the DBS V8s of the era actually had as much power as the V8 Vantages later in the 70s when running efficiently, effectively, and with the Bosch mechanical injection. So we're going to show you how well that run, and it has just been gone through by steel wings to the tune of $30,000+ in servicing. So we'll be right back with you as soon as it warms up. Okay, well, we're at operating temperatures. The car's really nice and tight. Testament to the suspension overhaul that was just done by Steel Wings. Handling kit, that makes a huge difference. The AC is working nicely. Drives really well, and I guess we would call this a survivor. But I can say so far she drives really well. Okay, well, we're on the back roads of Huntington, residential area. Car feels really great. We're going to take it on the twisties in a little while. We're going to then do our flybys, all in air-conditioned comfort, which is nice because it's 80 degrees out. The gearbox, clutch, brakes, power feel wonderful. Out of the car and do our flybys and come back to you yet again. I've said it before, but it really is quite nimble for a big car, especially with the Steel Wings handling kit. So, just pretty happy. A little more AC, and we're going to get up onto our farm road and give it a little bit of a boot. We're actually going to give it a boot in the butt, and we're going to see what sort of power she has. Not drag power, cruising power with torque, muscle car power. Well, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and now we're gonna boot it a little bit. here from a rolling start. Slouch for today or today. Runs quite well. And we're going to test the brakes again. I mean, really well. Well done, you idiot. Okay, I'm better now. We should have bloopers. Well, here we are returning to Autosport. Oh, there we are. Here, let's actually bring this, put it next to a 75 V8. We'll put the bonnet down and show you the differences.